If you're not a short person, you may not have any idea that this window design is cruel. Let's place a window behind a 2.5 foot wide counter with the latch for the window halfway up it. So when you want to open the window, here's what happens. I can't reach it. But I can if I climb on top of the counter. And my lovely bride, who's even shorter than me, can't even climb on the counter to get this thing open. So, one day I decided to fix this problem. Took a piece of steel bar stock, 1/2 inch by 1/4 inch, and cut it to length. I drilled holes in either end of it. Then I put a slight bend on one side. Using the same size drill bit, I headed over to the window. I drilled a hole in the window frame, as well as the latching handle for the window. Now, using very small panduits, first I attached the bent end of my metal bar to the handle, then the other straight end to the window frame. Okay, let's try opening the window again with my new redesign. Would you look at that? My days of climbing on counters to open windows is now over. And now even my lovely bride can open the windows. Let's take a close-up look at this miracle. Let's score this as a win for all short people around the world.